Every community has its urban legends. In fact, a lot of people believe that in this very house there's a little girl that was murdered. The sign on the wall even says, "Don't go up the stairs or you will see the little girl." Well, I've done my homework and I've been up the stairs and there's no one there. It's an urban legend. Next week we'll start a new series called Urban Legends and deal with some false beliefs of Christianity. So many people believe the legend that God wants everyone happy. We'll also examine the legend that all sin is the same. A third legend, Christians shouldn't judge. And finally, we'll look at the legend that God will never give you more than you can handle. It all starts next week. Don't miss it. It's Urban Legends.